welcome welcome to another video. In this videos today, I'm going to show you the app that I've just completed making it, and it's supposed to be a mobile app, but here I have the URL of that website. I've completed creating it right away. What you're going to do, you come here to Google, you open Google account, and this is the link. You paste the link here. It's a weather forecasting app. I've just completed creating it using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, right? I've made it using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This is the app now. It's being hosted by a website called Training Site, created by Keith Moindi. Yeah, here what you do, you enter where you are. Like me, I'm in Kisii. I'll enter Kisii. Click enter, and it's going to show me the degrees in Kisii in terms of Celsius, the type of clouds which is there, and the humidity 82%. If it's Nyamira, just type. I think you know this thing, and show you everything. So what's behind this app is that here, let me show you the source code. Here there is an HTML code, and there is an API. I got an API from the marketplace. If you go to marketplace like Rapid API, Rapid API is a marketplace where you can exchange people sell APIs, and and you can buy and use that API, right? So here, first of all, what's an API? API stands for Application Programming Interface. So an API is that thing that communicates with another app to gather information from a different app to your website. For example, here you can see here there are so many APIs here. Top Movie API. What you do, you create a script. You can use Python or JavaScript. After creating a script, you come here, you buy an API. There are some APIs which are free, like this one for translation. You come, you click here, it's open, you test the API, then if it's free you can use it. If the owner wants some money, you buy. You can buy for $2, $10. Yeah, I'm not logging in. That's how you log in. So if you see here, these are APIs. The APIs are the program which the programmers mostly use to communicate. If, for example, I want some information from, a good example is M-Pesa API, M-Pesa integration API, yeah, whereby I want my app, people can pay their money through an app, through M-Pesa to my app direct. So there is that API, M-Pesa API integration. So API is that, how can I put it? Is that thing that links programmers and the service providers. Yeah. So yeah, this is the first time I'm using an API to create this app. And here I just converted it into an APK. This is the folder now for the APK. This is the logo which I designed. So in your phone it will appear with this logo. My computer is a bit slow, but don't worry. It's opening up. It's opening up. I've opened a lot of tabs, I think, and it's have a lot of codings, a lot of software that I'm coding. That's why it's taking some time to load. If you open here in Android, I have just converted into an Android so that it can be downloadable to an Android phone. So this is the APK. I've tried to launch it in Google Drive, but you need to pay $25 in order for you to put this app into a Google, so that you can start maybe earning by people when they're downloading and using it. Yeah. But otherwise, thank you. Let me stop that there. This is just a short intro.